Hi friends, Saurabh, welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about order by clause. Today we are going to learn about case expression. So case expression is same as decode function. Whoever is not knowing about decode function, please let me know in comment box. I'll make a other tutorial for decode function. Okay, so actually case and decode both are same kind of thing, but case is much better than decode function because case is easy to read and write, and when we write complex queries it is recommended to use case. All right. Case expression is basically of two type, simple case expression and search case expression, as we can see here. So before jumping to syntax and examples, let me show you what exactly case does. So suppose we have a column, we have a table called any table emp, and which is having name keyword name column. Sorry, actually there is some problem. Okay, so this is having name column. So what we wanted to do, we have a name as Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Sundar Pichai. So what I want to do, that if name is Steve Jobs, then company should be Apple. If name is Mark Zuckerberg, company should be Facebook. If it is Bill Gates, it would be Microsoft. If it is Sundar Pichai, it would be Google. So I want this, I want to do something like this. If it is Steve Jobs, then Apple. If Mark Zuckerberg, then Facebook. If Bill Gates, then Microsoft. If Sundar Pichai, then Google. So what we are doing in if block, the same thing we can do in case statement actually. I'll show you here. But before that, let me show you this is syntax. This is what our search expression is. We write something like this: case, then search expression. It could be our string or our column name. Okay. So and if the search expression matches with this first input expression, then we'll get this result. If the search expression matches with second input expression, we'll get second result, and so on. If it will not get matches with any of these expressions, we'll get the else statement, else result. All right. So this is what the syntax of case expression is. Let's see the example here. So what I'm doing here, I'm doing selecting the data from employees table. I'm selecting first name and the case thing. What I'm doing here, if first name is Adam, then we'll get result as first name. If first name is Alena, then we'll get result as second name. If first name is Alberto, then we'll get result as third name. Otherwise we will get other names. For other employees names, other first names, we'll get other names. Okay, and we are doing order by first name. Let's copy this and copy and paste it in our SQL workshop. Control V and run this query. So as you can see, first name is Adam, then first name is Alena, then second name, first name is Alberto, then third name, first name is Alexander, then other names. It is coming into our else block. Okay, for all the other names, the result is other names. All right, as you can see. So this is what case expression is doing. Okay, let's jump to our other example. Example 2. What I'm writing here, I have instead of C here I have written a column name, case first name. What I'm doing here, I'm not writing column name, I'm writing a string, case then string. So now this string would matches with the given input strings. So if this string will come under any of these string, we'll get the first result. It will not even search for the second result actually. Okay. So if we have given string as Steve, it will search for the Steve, it will get first Steve and will get this result. It will not search the second Steve actually. Okay, let's copy this, Control C and paste in our SQL workshop. Control V and run this query. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting the first result. So write anything else here, XYZ, and then run this query. We are not getting this XYZ. Actually Steve is here as well, but we are not getting because on the first result itself it gets stopped and we'll get the result. All right, but if Steve is, what if Steve is not here, any of these matches? So what happen, suppose we'll write something like John, and here Steve is there with something like, now again search first. See, we are getting XYZ now because it is getting Steve from here and we are getting this result. Now write something else, I mean some like anything like Z. Yeah, so now run this query. What it will happen, it will again search in all these input strings. If it will not get this value from here, it will come into else block and it will return this as output. So let's run this. So as you can see, we are getting result from else block actually, because it didn't get the value from the input strings. Okay, so hope the example and concept is clear to you. And one key thing I want to tell you, that whenever we write this thing in our input string here, the column name here, so the data type of this thing should be same as all the given input strings or input expressions. We cannot give any number value here, it will give us some error. So when we are writing this value, this example or this example, so the data type of this thing and data type of this thing should be same. Okay, so yeah, that is what the case expression does. Hope the example and concept is clear to you. For any confusion or any doubt, let me know in comment box. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please like and share the video, and if you please subscribe it, for many lot of tutorials are coming on the way. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.